In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send review requests with Klaviyo. Before we begin, make sure you already have a place where customers can leave a review, such as a product review page or a review platform link. In this video, the goal is simple. Send an email to recent buyers and include your review link so they know exactly where to go. When you do this well, you can increase the number of reviews you receive without manually reaching out to people one by one. First, go to Campaigns. This is where Klaviyo collects everything related to sending messages, including new campaigns you are about to create. As you open Campaigns, look for the option to create something new, because that is where the workflow starts. Next, select Create Campaign. You will usually see a button or link that prompts you to start building a campaign from scratch. Taking this step matters because it sets the type of campaign you are creating, and it controls which message builder you will use in the next screen. Now choose Email. Klaviyo will then guide you through an email campaign setup. It is important to pick email here because review requests are typically delivered as direct email messages with a clear call to action. Once you select email, you should see the email creation experience load, ready for your content. After that, you will want to select a segment of recent buyers. On the campaign setup screen, Klaviyo will ask you to choose who will receive this email. Selecting a segment helps ensure that you are targeting people who are most likely to respond, since they have already purchased recently. When you pick recent buyers, you are focusing on the window where the experience is still fresh, which often improves response rates. As you choose the segment, pay attention to the segment name and the time range if Klaviyo shows one. If your interface offers additional filters, confirm that the segment truly represents customers who bought within the time frame you intend. This is a key step, because sending review requests to the right audience is what makes the campaign effective. Once you have your segment selected, you are ready to add your review link into the email editor. In the email editor area, look for the portion of the message where you can insert text or a link, such as a highlighted call to action area or wherever your main message content lives. Now, paste your review link in the editor. Use the correct link for the place you want customers to review and make sure it is the full working URL. Pasting the link into the right spot ensures that when customers receive the email, they can click through easily and leave their review without having to search for the destination. At this point, take a moment to verify that the link appears the way you expect inside the editor. For example, it should not show broken formatting or partial text. You want the review link to be clear and usable, because the easier it is to reach the review page, the more likely customers are to complete the action. With the segment selected and the review link pasted into the editor, you have completed the core setup required to send review requests with Klaviyo. You can now continue with whatever final steps your campaign setup requires, such as reviewing the email content, confirming the audience, and preparing to send. But the essentials are already in place: the right people and the correct review destination. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.